Oh, come on. Okay. I don't want that. Get out. No. Don't want it. Ooh, lag. Okay, so guys, we're gonna play this. There are levels. I looked at it earlier. We'll try. Yeah, those are locked. 3. Jesus. Okay.
Amazing Christmas gift.
And that's an ad.
Self-adhesive cabinet door bumpers for $0.
That's not sponsored either. So I don't need an ad.
Amazing
Oh my god, Temu!
self-adhesive
We
cabinet
aren't
door bumpers
sponsored
for
by
$0.
you. Let's look at this. Good morning. Welcome to your new school. Find the admin. Oh my god, the lag. I do not like these controls. Bump, 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 bump.
Amazing Christmas gift. Get 40 pieces self-adhesive cabinet door bumpers for $0.
We'll do another one. And I'll decide if I want
Amazing
to.
Christmas gift. Get 40 pieces self-adhesive cabinet door bumpers for $0.
We'll only do this one, and then I'll decide if I want to keep it on here or delete it. But I think I'm gonna delete it. Get in the school and meet the administrator. Good morning, sir. I am the new student. Meeting number is 0123. Good morning, kid. You are welcome to our school. Take the card and join your class. Show this card to your teacher, and you could sit in the class. Sure. Thank you, sir. Weird voice, right? Don't question the voices. Hi.
Enjoy Christmas. Free gifts.
I don't care about Temu! I'm going to delete this. Because not good, obviously. I mean, I mean, I didn't mean to call it not good, but it is good, but it's kinda, but it's good. It's good. So I guess that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, I guess. Do whatever. I don't care. Meh. Bye-bye.